Okay, we have an Okuma Vertical Machining Center model Cadet Mate V4020, serial number 0994. Machine was new in 2000. It has an Okuma OSP U10M control. We're going to run it for you. Machine's running right now, 1,000 RPM. It has from 50 to 8,000 RPM, 2,500. Cat 40 spindle, a 20.1 by 47.24 inch table, 5,500, okay, 5,500 RPM. Travels are 40 inch in the X, 20 in the Y, and 20.59 in the Z. We're doing a tool change. Okay, again, that's a Cat 40 taper. Another tool change. That's your Z. Your X. You have telescopic weight covers as well. And your Y. All right. Anything maybe can show up there? Or? Standard Okuma control. All right. There are your hours. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.